In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to promote your music on Spotify with Facebook ads step by step. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to run an effective Facebook ad that actually convert. But before I actually walk you through the process, I would like to show you guys some proof to actually tell you that the person you're about to learn from is someone that actually has the experience, is someone that actually practices what it teaches. So you guys can see right here that this is one of my artists right here, and this guy has been able to get almost 250,000 plus streams on Spotify, and we were able to get this result using Facebook ads. So if we head over to the last 28 days, you can see right here that we have over 63,000 monthly listeners in the last 28 days right here. And you guys can see right here that these are the top countries right here. These are the top countries. You can see right here that this is USA, UK, Australia, Canada, France, Germany. And we are able to get this result using just Facebook ads. So if this is the first time of coming across my channel, my name is Ola. I'm an artist manager, a music promoter. I have managed multiple artists in the past, and I'm also a musical artist. So that's just to prove to you that the person you're about to learn from is someone that actually knows what he's doing right here. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. So right now, I'm going to be walking you through how to run this Facebook ads using your phone, because I know a lot of you guys might actually be watching this YouTube video using your phone. So the first thing you need to do right here is to actually head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. So what you need to do is actually search for Meta Ads on your Google Play Store. So you can see right here, you need to make sure you actually have the latest version of Meta Ads installed on your mobile device. So since I already have the app installed on my phone, I'm just going to be clicking on open. So once I actually open the app, it's going to load up. So once the app is done loading, you need to make sure you actually connect your Facebook page to your Google Ads manager. You guys right here, this is a new page that I just created for myself. So I already created this page for the purpose of this tutorial. So once you're done linking your Facebook page to your ads manager, so what you need to do right here is just click on this plus icon right here. So once you actually click on it right here, it's gonna bring up this page. So you guys just right here that are different ad campaign right here. So you can see right here that this ad is mainly focused on engagement. So basically, if you want more engagement, more followers, more likes, more comments on your post, you could actually go with the engagement ads. So we also have another ads right here, which is the awareness ads. So basically, this ads is mainly focused on creating awareness. So if you know you have a product or a brand you are promoting and you want to get some awareness for the product, you could actually choose this option right here. So we also have different options right here. We have the traffic option, we have the lead option, the sales option right here. So basically the traffic option is mainly focused on websites. So basically, if you know you want to promote your music URL, you could actually go with the traffic option. We also have the lead option right here. So basically, if you know you want to get more people to actually sign up as your fan. So for the purpose of this video right here, our goal is to promote our Spotify page. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on the traffic option. So once I actually click on the traffic option, it's going to take you straight to this page. So what you need to do right here is to actually give your ad a name. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be naming this ad campaign My Music. So let's just give it My Music. So once you're done with that right here, just close that. So what you're going to be doing right here is actually click on next right here. So once I actually click on next right here, so we also need to name our ad set. So I'm going to be giving the ad set a name also. So I'm also going to be naming that My Music right here. So once you're done with that right here, what we need to do right here is to actually edit our audience range. So basically you need to make sure that your audience range is always between 18 to 25, because these are the kind of people that actually use Spotify the most. So you don't want to set your audience range to like 30 to 40. So you don't want the old cargos to listen to your music. I'm sorry if I actually use that language, but you kind of get me. Like, make sure you're actually promoting your music to Gen Zs, because Gen Zs are the one that actually listen to music in this DNA. So what we are going to be doing right here is we're going to be selecting the age bracket from 18 to 25. You can also set it to like 27 or so, but I'm going to be leaving it at 25 right here. So what we're going to be doing right here is we're going to be adding the language right here. So our primary language should be English right here. So let me quickly search for English. So you can see right here, just select UK English or US English. So for me, I'm going to be going with just US English. So once you're done with that, just click on save, or you could actually just select the both languages right here. So I'm going to be selecting the both languages. So I'm going to be clicking on save. So right here, we need to actually select our location. So this is where you're actually targeting. This is the country you're actually targeting. So you need to actually like put in the selected country you want to target. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm actually going to be targeting Nigeria. But for you, you could actually target like UK, US, Canada. Like I said, you could target like up to like 10 countries right here. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm just going to be targeting Nigerians, because I want my artists to actually get some more fans from Nigeria. So you can also detail this ad by location. So basically, if you know you want to target some specific city in Nigeria, you could also do that. So I'm going to be selecting Lagos right here. So let's just search for Lagos. So you can see right here we have Lagos, Nigeria right here. So we are going to be adding Lagos, Nigeria. I'm also going to be selecting Abuja right here. So these are states right here in Nigeria. So you need to you could select up to 5 states, or you could also just target the out of 36 states in Nigeria. So right now I'm just going to be targeting just 5 states, which are Lagos, Abuja, and the rest basically. So once you're done with your detail targeting right here, once you're done setting your location, next thing you need to do is to actually select the interest of people you want to target. So you can see right here, what you need to do is just click on where it says add right here. So once you actually click on add right here, so what I always advise artists to do right here is you need to actually input your genre right here. So if you know you actually do Afrobeats, if you know you do pop, if you know you do hip hop music, if you know you do R&B music, so this is where you're going to be inputting your genre. So for me right here, I'm actually going to be selecting Afrobeat because that's the kind of genre I do, and that's the kind of genre my artists also do. So I'm going to be selecting Afrobeat right here. So once you actually click on that right here, so what you're going to be doing right now is, so you need to actually narrow the interest right here. So what we are going to be doing is, since we already selected our genre right here, we are going to be selecting big artists that are in that genre. So for example, right here we have Davido, we have Wizkid, we have Tiwa Savage. So you could actually just select similar artists that actually do this kind of genre, the kind of genre you do. So you can also do this for hip hop, rap, whatever genre you are doing. So I'm going to be selecting the biggest artists that actually do that genre. So I'm going to be selecting Davido, I'm going to be selecting Wizkid, I'm going to be selecting Tiwa Savage, I'm going to be selecting Yemi Alade, and all of that right here. Another thing you could also do right here when selecting the detail targeting audience, you can also target like restaurants, like local restaurants near the area you're actually targeting, because a lot of people actually listen to music in restaurants. You could also target clubs. So basically what you need to do right here is you need to actually target where you know people always listen to music. You need to target where people always meet to listen to music. You can also target taxi drivers right here, like especially those that are actually into Ubers, because a lot of people actually listen to music in their cars. To actually figure out where people always meet, then you need to make sure you actually put that in your targeting, because the more places you target, the more results you get. But if you know you're finding the video helpful so far to this point, please do well to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about educating artists on how to grow, different way to grow, and everything about the music business. So if you know you're interested in the music business, do well to like the video and also smash that subscribe button. So once you're done selecting your targeting right here, the next thing you need to do is to just click on next. So once I click on next, it's going to take you straight to this page. So basically this is where you're going to be selecting the page you know you want to run the ads on. So I'm going to be selecting the page I want to run the ads on. Once you're done choosing the page you want to run your ads on, the next thing you need to do is to actually select your ad preset. So basically your ad preset will actually be a video of you like singing to your music, or like a banner of your song. But what I always advise you to do is you need to actually make sure you actually make use of video, because video actually converts a lot than just using images. You need to make sure that you have actually created a lot of short video promoting your content on social media, that you could actually just pick the best performing video out of those video right here, that you could use that as your ad presets. Once you're done selecting your ad preset, the next thing you need to do is to actually give the ad a title. So basically you could just write the name of your music right here. Then for the primary text right here, you could just write a little description about your music, what the music is all about. Then once you're done with that right here, so what you're going to do right here, where it says the website right here, where you're seeing this website option, what you need to do is actually head over to your Spotify account. Then you need to actually copy the link to that song on Spotify, that you need to actually paste the link here. Please do not use your fan link or whatever, because we are actually focusing on Spotify alone. So for you to be able to get more results, you need to actually focus on just one platform right here. Then once you're done with that right here, you could actually just pick a call to action. So your call to action could be listing now or send a message. I always advise artists to always leave it as listing now. Once you're done with all of that right here, the next thing you need to do is to actually just select the amount of money you want to spend. Like I said, the more money you spend on running ads, the more results you get. So I always advise you to actually, at least you could actually run at least $5 to $30 ads per day. So basically you could run like $5 ads a day. Then you could actually run the ad for like 5 days, 10 days. It actually depends on your budget right here. So guys, that's how you could run an effective Facebook ad to promote your music on Spotify. And I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know the video was helpful to you, do what to like the video, and so don't forget to smash that subscribe button and so turn on the notification bell. So guys, if you know you need a promoter right here that could promote your music, I'm going to be leaving my contact information in the video description. So you could do what to actually just send me a message on WhatsApp. Then we could actually discuss business. So basically I could get you playlist placement, I could get you into the editorial playlist and all of the juicy things in marketing, as long as you have the budget to spend, because music is all about having the budget. So guys, do well to actually subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because in my next video I'm also going to walk you through how to get your music to the charts. So I'm going to walk you through how you could get to the charts on all streaming platforms. I'm going to be walking you through how you could get your music to Spotify chart, Apple Music chart, and all of the biggest charts right here. So you need to make sure you actually stay tuned, so that once I actually drop that video, you're going to be the first person to be notified. So if you know you want to learn more about marketing, I'm going to advise you to check out the video popping right here on the screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.